Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Matter devices for Apple Home compatibility. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Matter device is plugged in and powered on. Open the Apple Home app on your iOS device. Tap on the home icon in the upper left corner to access your home settings. Select Home Settings from the menu that appears. Scroll down to find the section labeled Hubs and Bridges. Identify the Matter device you wish to restore and tap on it. Next, choose the option labeled Remove Accessory. Confirm the removal by selecting Remove. Once the device is removed, go back to the main home screen. Locate the Add Accessory option and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the pairing process. Ensure your iOS device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Matter device. Scan the QR code on your device or enter the setup code manually if prompted. Wait for the Home app to recognize your Matter device. Once detected, tap on Add to finalize the setup process. Choose a name for your device and assign it to a room for easy access. After the device is successfully added, check its settings for any customization. Ensure the firmware is up to date by checking in the device details. Test the functionality by using voice commands through Siri or the Home app. If any issues arise, consider resetting the device to factory settings and repeating the process. Your Matter devices should now be fully compatible with Apple Home. Enjoy managing your smart home seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.